Smart Booth is a project that focuses on helping homeless people access information. So for our project, we were going to work with the Albert Kennedy Trust, who support the LGBT youth who are in crisis, who need to leave home and who need support.
So we started by looking into AKT organisation to see what services they support for LGBT youth, and then we carried out a telephone interview with the Digital Services and Innovative Manager of AKT, and that helped us define the area that we could focus on and refine idea. So for example, we decided to focus on information access because we actually found out that a lot of homeless people don't have access to phones, or even if they do, they don't have anywhere to charge.
During our research process, we came up with several ideas that we could use to solve the problem of information access. We finally settled on creating an integrated public information system, which would be in the old phone booths we decided to use the phone booths because they are connected to infrastructure that we would need to create the information system, such as the telephone grid, etc. We had concluded that privacy was one of the main issues for our users. The best way to access the information was for the users to have an RFID tag that was non-traceable and completely private.
So for our prototype, we went through several iterations of our design process. We started off by mapping out the journey that we thought the user was going to take and turned these into paper prototypes. When we'd done this, we created user testing scenarios and got people to act these out, talking through what they were doing and critiquing our work. So after we got the feedback, we took this into account and made a digital prototype and then ran the user testing again, each time gaining more insights into what the users needed and how our system worked. So to use this system, the user gets an RFID band that gives them access. So they can scan this and they're able to find hostels, find food, charge their phone or send a message. So if they click on charge phone, they scan the band again to make sure that it's the person who has access to the system using it. The screen shows that box 6 is already taken, so they can pick another one. The box will then open. They can put in their phone, and this will now be charging. When they come back later, they scan the band again, pick up their phone, scan the band, and they can collect their phone.
My name's Jane Berry. I'm Head of Department Computer Science and Creative Technologies. I've just called in to look at the show, and I have to say I'm absolutely blown away by the standard of work, the level of thought that's gone into not just the technology, which is a fantastic display of technical expertise, but the extent to which these students have taken that technology to deliver really impressive solutions to not problems, but issues that will ultimately perhaps lead to enhancements of people's experience of the world, and that's what technology should be doing. It should be making the world better, and this is such a brilliant example of how that can be.